shine so bright, you might go blind. When I walk through, they close their blinds. I'm gonna show off, I know it's time.
Hey guys, get in here, let's make this natural cough syrup for kids. So we'll be using three things, which is the orange, clove, and the honey. And at the same time, I'll be talking about some of the benefits of orange, honey, and cloves. Okay, before I get right into that, I want us to understand that these three things have some properties in common. And there are the antioxidant property, the anti-inflammatory property, and also the antimicrobial property. Okay, for antioxidants, just as the name implies, it prevents or inhibits the process of oxidation. We know that the body has its natural antioxidizers, but sometimes, over time, the body becomes so overwhelmed, and that's the more reason why we need to support the body defense system with food that has some antioxidant property. So anything that has an anti-oxidizing agent or property helps to boost one's immune system. So it serves like a defense mechanism or a defense against so many things. So for the anti-inflammatory, the word anti simply means against. So this is just trying to tell us that there are agents or food that combat inflammatory processes, which may include things like swelling when you have pain, redness, fever, all those tenderness, and even soreness. So any food or any thing that has this property hinders the inflammatory process. So that's basically what the anti-inflammatory aspect is all about. Okay, the last common property, though not the least, is the antimicrobial. It simply means that it has the ability to kill, microorganisms. And narrowing down to the three things we are using to make this drink, talking about orange, orange is very rich in vitamin C, and at the same time, it has a lot of fibers. So for the vitamin C aspect of it enhances the absorption of iron. So, and that's the reason why when a patient or someone is placed on iron, the individual is advised to take orange juice, because it goes a long way to help in the absorption. Then at the same time, the vitamin C has a very good effect on collagen production, which we also know the collagen is vital for our healthy skin, the hair, the nails, the muscles. Then the fiber aids in digestive processes. The cloves helps in blood circulation, and for the honey, we know it's a natural sweetener, very good for the heart and helps in wound healing. At the same time, it soothes cough. That's basically it for today's video. So if this is your first time on my channel, you are so welcome, and please do well to hit that subscribe button, like and share my video, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you get notified anytime I upload a new content. Thank you guys, thank you so much, and do have a wonderful and blessed time. Bye.